Good morning, Bill.
Good morning, Kimon.
Why don't you start off by giving us a little bit of your basic biographic activities, where you were born in Manchester and high school, etc.
Well, I was born in Presque Isle, Maine, and I was born in Presque Isle because there was no hospital in Caribou. My mother was from Manchester. My father, for reasons which we have never really understood, had 6 brothers who lived in Aroostook County. They came from the old country, and they came in the order of their age. And they wound up in Aroostook County, and my father and his brothers were all in business in the towns around Aroostook County, and my father persuaded my mother to go up there and live. She didn't like it very well because her mother was in Manchester, and she was an only daughter. And so when I was 2 years old, they moved back to Manchester, and for periods except time away at school and in the service, and a 5-year stint when I lived in Concord. I've lived in Manchester and consider myself a native in all respects. I went to Webster School, to Central High School in Manchester, to Dartmouth College, and after military service, which was interrupted, I completed my course at Harvard Law School and came back to New Hampshire and started to practice law in 1947. The year I took the bar examinations, interestingly enough, there were only 26 candidates, as I recall it, and I think there were 11 admittees. The Supreme Court, before that bar examination, advised the bar examiners that they were going to recess the following Tuesday, which early in June, and that they were going to stay recessed until Labor Day, so that if the new members of the bar were to be admitted, the examiners would have to grade the examinations over the weekend and report to them by Tuesday morning. And of course, the examination those days used to run from Monday to Friday, and we were told that they would make an announcement of the admittees in the local paper on Tuesday morning. And I remember going to Hancock's drugstore in Concord looking for that result on Tuesday morning, and when I first looked at the list, I swear that my name wasn't there. And it was a terrible moment. I read it again and found that it was tucked away, and so I've been practicing law. We went over since then, we went over to the Supreme Court building and were sworn in, and we were on